Hello, welcome to my Read for Money review. This is Uke Emele from georginadigital.com. I welcome you once again here to my channel. Here in this channel, I bring you regularly reviews on information and software products on how to make money online. I also package wonderful bonuses that will also enhance your making money online venture. So today I am going to be reviewing this particular software that will be launched tomorrow, the 15th day of December, called Read for Money by Branson Tay. Branson Tay is actually a six-figure affiliate marketer, and all his products are really hack of a product. And with this particular one, you are going to also benefit or profit from this particular software. So I'm going to really take you through this software, because in this review I'll bring you a real highlight of this software, the features, the benefits, the prices, and the upsells that are available, together with the wonderful bonuses that I have specifically packaged for anyone that will get this product through my link today. So all you just do in case because of this review, if you decide to pick up this product, what you just have to do is click, there is a link below this video, click on it, and it takes you to my bonus page where you will access this product through my bonus page and be able to get both the product and also the bonuses that I have packaged for you. So stay tuned while I take you through this review. So you can see this is so in a nutshell, this software is meant to make you money over and over again or each time you keep reading and reading. So look at what it says here. It says, make the cash register ring during the holidays. This exposed a breakthrough Amazon loophole. Pays us, that's Branson Tay says, pays them $11 per minute for reading from our phones or computers. No waiting, no expenses, no nonsense. Yes. So we are going to go through the features in detail, and also through what this software really is all about. But in a nutshell, I want you to know that this is all about making money by reading. You can read through your phone. It works in all devices, and also that both your phone, your laptop, and your desktop can become handy and useful here. So let us, before we go through the highlights, through the benefits and the features, I want to introduce you to the wonderful bonuses that I have specifically packaged for you for this particular launch. So I welcome you to Georgina's Insane Bonus Bundle. That is my bonus bundle. And here in Georgina's Insane Bonus Bundle, I bring you bonuses that you wouldn't want to miss at all. So let me take you through the bonuses that I have packaged that's carefully selected for this particular launch that will be going up tomorrow. So the first bonus I have for you here is Aurora Pro. So with this, if you get this product through my link, you'll be accessing this Aurora Pro. Aurora Pro actually is a high quality tutorial with also it's an information product together with a software inside it that will always pick a high ticket offer and match it to the traffic that will really pay. So it's a wonderful software that will help you make money online. So I have also the second bonus here, which is an insider tips for making great channel content. So this particular hack or high tutorial or high quality tutorial package will guide you in making great channel content, especially in online business. So the third one I have for you here is the online entrepreneur. So this will really explain to you, or it's a high quality tutorial package that will really put you through on becoming a successful online entrepreneur. Then the next one is the fourth bonus here, which is particularly a wonderful mastery course on ClickBank. ClickBank actually is a marketplace just like JVZoo and Warrior Plus, where you also market softwares and digital products. You can become an affiliate to make great money from there. So if you get this product, you receive a complete mastery course on ClickBank. So you can also take your profits from ClickBank also. So the last one here is the wonderful bonus that Branson Tay have given me to give out to anyone that will access this product, though this comes under special bonuses or vendor bonuses. So if you get this product through my link, you will have access to these wonderful bonuses from Branson Tay that I'll be giving out to anyone that will access this product through my link. So all you just do is click on the link below and you'll be able to access it. Once you click, it brings you to this my bonus page. That is this digital Georgina Insane bonus bundle. Once you're here, click on any of the yellow buttons here. You can see click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So once you do that, it takes you to the sales page. And once you're here, you find the corresponding yellow button here. Click on it and you'll be able to secure your product together with my bonuses. Once you do that, go back to your Warrior Plus account and all these products will be there waiting for you in the section where it says access affiliate bonuses. Click on there and you get all these bonuses there handy for you. So that is it with the bonuses I have for you today. Don't get this product without getting it together with my bonuses, because these my bonuses are a real hack of bonuses. Then let me take you through the prices and the upsell, how much this product is cost and the available upgrades. So, but before then, let us look at it once again. So what is Real for Money all about? It says expose breakthrough Amazon loophole, pays us $11 per minute for reading from our phones or computers. No waiting, no nonsense, no expenses. So we simply fire up Read for Money on our device. So there is this, the dashboard, there is a device there where you now activate. I will be showing you that shortly. So it said simply fire up Read for Money on the device of our choice. And once we begin reading, we got paid. Reading 1 minute will make you $11. If you read 5 minutes, it will make you $55. If you read 10 minutes, it makes you $110. If you read for 20 minutes, it makes you $220. And when you read 50 minutes, you'll be making $550. It's quite simple. The more you read with Read for Money, the more money you make. So that is just the simple analysis of Read for Money. So then let's look at the prices and the upsells that are available. We have the front end of this software. The front end of this software is, so the front end of this Read for Money really goes for $19, and this one gives you access to this powerful Read for Money software and the training models. Then you have about 7 different OTOs, that's 7 different upgrades available. The first one is the OTO one, which is called Read for Money Unlimited. This particular Read for Money Unlimited removes all limits from your account and puts Read for Money on hyperdrive. Maximize Read for Money to its fullest and avoid leaving profits on the table. Get an unfair advantage over the other users of Read for Money. More Read for Money campaigns activated. More autopilot profit flowing in, and click on ads and get paid with no limits for easy 100 to 200 times your profit without doing anything extra. So that is what you get with the unlimited version of unlimited OTO of it. Then you have the OTO number 2, which is read for money, done for you. This one generates 100% hands-free income while we do all the work. They do all the work for you. So they will set up your account with done for you campaign, so it's guaranteed to start flooding with profits among others. Then you have the OTO with some other features available here. You have the OTO number 3, which is called the hands-free automation. Among others, this one will help you enjoy free income by fully automating read for money. It's a traffic, sales, profits keep rolling in on autopilot. So this one goes on autopilot 24/7, 365 days. Let automation do all the heavy lifting for you. Make money while you sleep because it runs on autopilot, and scale your earning for the next level. You have the OTO number 4, which is called Read for Money Income Multiplier. Say earn 5 times more money with your Read for Money account without any extra work. Turns $500 per day into $2,500 per day. Now, say copy and paste the exact done for you monetization campaigns they use to generate $32,000 in 30 days. And done for you campaigns, done for you funnels, done for you offer proven to convert, and done for you bonuses to offer. You have also the OTO number 5, which is called limitless traffic. With this, among others, you instantly tap into their personal diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. So this is the exact traffic secret they use to generate $400,000 in 4 months, averaging $100,000 per month. So like literally owning a virtual ATM machine, that's what it means. That's among other things. Yeah. Then you have the OTO number 6, which includes, which is called franchise licensing. Franchise licensing. Yeah. So the OTO number 5, which is called Read for Money Limitless Traffic, it goes for $107. Among others, as I said, instantly tap into their personal diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. That's and also lifetime access to their traffic source. Pay once and enjoy forever. It goes for $167. Then you have the OTO number 6, which is called franchise license. It goes for $297. This here it says become their official franchise partner. Sell and read for money while keeping 100. Sell, read for money while keeping 100% commission plus guaranteed approval, and get paid up to $1,120 per visitor you send to them, and business in a box also. They have also you get to use their proven to convert professionally designed pages and funnels and also resources. That is if you upgrade to this franchise license. Then you have the OTO number 7, which is called emergency cash. It goes for $67. This is, among others, this emergency cash method accidentally found out by a Read for Money beta tester pockets us or pocket them an additional $505, 42 cents daily with just 5 minutes of work. So you'll be able to tap into this also, which is an additional advantage. So you have, as I said earlier, the unlimited goes for $47, the done for you goes for $297, and the hands-free automation goes for $97, while the income multiplier goes for $47. So get this, and I will always advise you go for at least the unlimited, because with this you remove all the limits from your account and put you on a hyperdrive, which is the best. The front end is good, I will tell you, but to get better, I will always recommend you go for the unlimited for much more better results. So that is it with the prices and the upsell. So let me just briefly take you to the sales page. Let us look at it again. You can see here in the sales page, here it says Amazon is paying $11 per minute to read simple text. 2, these are the features. We make money from our computers or even phones, so it can be used on any device. Just 2 minutes to get started. 0 hard work. We just read and get paid. 97.4% of beta testers profited within 6 hours, and 100% fresh, brand new system and completely legal and ethical. 665 days money back. That's 1 full year money back guarantee. And they have also another condition here, which is make money or they will pay you $300 to show you how serious that Brancinte is. If you don't make money out of it, they get a refund and also have additional $300 added to you. So that is it. How do you get it? Just click on the link below this video. There is a link there. Click on it and it brings it to my bonus page here. That is Georgina's Insane Bonus Bundle. Once you are here, click on any of this yellow button that states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Once you do that, it takes you back to the sales page. Here in the sales page, you find this yellow button, the corresponding yellow button. Click on it and you lock up your product together with my bonuses, the wonderful bonuses that I have packaged for you. Don't forget the bonuses that I have packaged for you. These are wonderful bonuses. And also, once you get that, go back to your Wordus Plus account in the section where it says access your affiliate bonuses. Click on it and all the bonuses will be there waiting for you. Don't get this product without getting it together with my bonuses, because the bonuses I have packaged for this launch is really a hack of bonuses. You can see Aruro Pros, appear Aruro Pro. You can access it by getting this product through my link, and also tips for making great channel content is also there for you. And I also have online entrepreneur. That is also a wonderful bonus I'm giving out. And lastly, the next is a mastery course on ClickBank, which also is a wonderful hack of a bonus I'm giving out. And finally, the special bonuses that Brancinte have given me to give out to anyone that will be accessing this product via my link. So just get this by clicking at the link below and access this product through my link. Then you get access to all these bonuses. So this product, this particular Read for Money, it takes only 3 steps to install or 3 steps to begin to profit. Let me just take you through the 3 steps that you just need to get started with this software. You can see here, it says here the 3 simple steps that you just need to do. The first is access this product. By what you just do is just click on the button below, the link below, and access this product through my link. Once you do that, I say click any button on this page to get a copy of Read for Money. Hurry and access it. Once you access it, activate it. Turn on the paid to read. There's a paid to read technology inside the Read for Money dashboard. Turn it on, and once you do that, begin to read. So the step 3 is we are getting paid $11 per minute for reading from our computer or phone. So once you turn it on, each time you begin to read, you are making profit. That is how simple it works. So this is a loophole discovered by Brancinte from Amazon. So take advantage of it also now and be making money. This product, the front end of it goes for $19. Actually, this product is worth $297 monthly, but you are just getting it for $19 as a one-time payment in this launch. So these are also, there's also what I want to do. There's a few other bonuses I want to also introduce you to, which Brancinte have packaged for anyone that will get this product through the link.